I became a media work facilitator because I wanted to help people, help them to be computer literate, as well as help them to find jobs. I would give advice to a learner to be themselves, to display good attitude, and to be confident in whatever that they do, and not to have the ego, because ego seems to minimize the opportunities one can achieve. Yes, there was one guy who was a success. He completed a course here with us. He is now a technician in Germany. He's surveying diesel plant. He's reading the plan about it. He's actually giving a go ahead. That's all about his description, job description. So he always displayed good attitude, confidence. He was a good guy. He finished the course. So I think it opened many opportunities for him. He did not even have the ego. He was a humble guy. So we are very proud of him. He came and visited us. We're excited to see him achieving. Our quote Muhammad Gandhi, he says, "A man is nothing but a product of his thought. What you think, you become. If you think you are a winner, you are a winner. If you think you are a loser, you are a loser. It's all about the thought."